In this video, we're learning to do the Pilates exercise, the saw. I'm Tucker, a certified Pilates instructor. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. Begin sitting up straight, legs straight, feet slightly flexed. If I can't maintain a straight back throughout any of this series, then I'm bringing the feet in to make it a little easier. For now, legs are out straight, arms in front like genie arms, and with a spine twist. Exhale, and I'm just twisting from this sternum area, mid-thoracic, not twisting with the hips at all. Just the mid-sternum area, and inhale back. And exhale the other way, and inhale back. Exhale. And we'll do about 5 each way. Again, keeping the hips stable. One sign the hips aren't stable is if the feet are pedaling back and forth on the rotations. So looking to keep those feet stable as I twist. Just a few more. Exhale. Inhale back to start. One more each way. And arms come down, roll the shoulders. Still sitting up straight, moving into a spine stretch forward. And that's exhaling, rolling down from the head. Hands slide forward on the mat and back up. Not hinging with the hips, so this is really the same movement as an ab prep. Coming up right here. Same movement, not hinging at the hips, but curling with the upper spine, and inhale back to start. Exhale, curl forward, not hinging at the hips. And back up. 2 more. Exhale, curl forward, pulling in the abdominal wall. And back up. So again, the feeling isn't lunging forward or hinging forward, but actually pulling in with the abdominal wall as you roll down. And back up to start. And now moving into the saw, putting all that together, arms out straight, feet come out a little wider, about the width of the mat. Still sitting up straight, and then again, if I can't sit up straight, legs are coming in. Inhale, exhale, spine twist, first movement we did, and then the second movement, curling, reaching for the outside foot. Other hand going back, looking back at that hand, and inhale back. Exhale, twist, curl over, reach for the outside foot. Look back with the other hand and back up. Go 5 each way. Inhale back. So twist. Watch that the feet aren't pedaling. Reach forward, not hinging with the hips, but curling down from the upper spine. And back to start. Exhale, twist. Reach, looking back, inhale back to start. And let's go 1 more each way, still pulling the abdominal wall in, feet slightly flexed. Sitting up straight, twist, curl over. It's like I'm curling over an electrical fence. And back. Let's bring those arms down. Let's bring the feet in a little bit. Right hand outside the left foot. Letting this arm hang. Back's nice and relaxed. Pressing down on the foot to open up that right side of the back as well as the shoulder. And switch left hand outside of the right foot. Pressing down on that right foot like a gas pedal. For a stretch in the left side. Well, I also have a video of doing this saw in the standing position, an entire standing Pilates workout. I'll link that here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you see all the workouts. And I'll see you at the next one.